Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited because we are going to the beach. It's actually the first week of September, so it's probably the last beach trip of the summer, which is so sad. Summer's ending, but we're gonna go and try and make the best out of it today. So I thought I would take you guys along with me and vlog the whole thing. I'm super excited. Yeah, but we're leaving now. So I have my little outfit on. My shorts are from Princess Polly. My hat is also from Princess Polly. This bikini is H&M and the bottoms are on here. And then my little sweater is from Aritzia. And then my little bracelet is from a beach I went to. And my anklet, so cute. And my bag is downstairs. I'll show you guys later, but that's also from Princess Polly. I'm fully decked out in Princess Polly today, and I'm super excited. So now that we've done the outfit of the day, which is the most important part of the video, we can leave. Alright, so we're in the car. We're about to leave now. We're just waiting for my sister to get in the car because she's taking so long. My little baby Callie here. She's taking a nap. And here's Ava. Hi. Alright guys, so we stopped for Starbucks. Now we're back on the road. I got my pumpkin spice latte. Little mom got her iced caramel apple crisp macchiato. And I think she likes it. Ava got a little cake pop. So in mine I get extra pumpkin, oat base, light ice, cinnamon powder, and yeah, I get it tall because I only like one shot of espresso because I don't drink coffee, but it tastes weird without the coffee. So yeah, I get cinnamon powder and the pumpkin spice, but no whip, and that's my drink. This is how Callie is deciding to sit on me. What are you doing? Alright guys, so we made it to the beach. We're here. Hopefully you can hear me. I know it's pretty windy. I'm gonna try and talk like loud. Yeah, but we made it. We got a little setup here. Got this tent. Got a little area for the doggies to hang out in. Some chairs. So we're just hanging out here. My sister's friend is here actually, so they all went to like hang out down the beach at their spot over there. Just me and Coco here right now. Hi. And the doggies are chilling here with us. It's actually not too bad with the water. It's a little bit cold. I'm a little chilly, not gonna lie, but it's not too bad. The waves are pretty nice. It's really not that bad. Oh my god, I hate being cold though.
Garden, she digs
So
in the
Callie's
grass.
decided
Where's your
to
mother
start
go?
digging. She's digging a hole.
Where'd your mother go?
Alright, so it's getting super windy. We're still gonna stay here for a bit. My aunt just left because there was something happening at home. And my sister's friends are here now, so we're gonna all hang out together, but we're just chilling. Hi puppies! Hi puppies! Hi puppies! You're so cute. Hi baby. You gonna come out? It is currently so super windy. I don't know what the heck happened. The sun went away and it got super windy and cloudy, so I have Callie wrapped up in my sweater and I'm wearing a sweater because it's freezing. Literally so windy. Okay, this is literally the sky right now. It literally was sunny like 20 minutes ago. Right now I am romancing myself with a nice walk on the beach by myself. It got a little windy, so we had to like pack up a bit, and my mom went down the beach to visit her friends, so now we're just taking a nice little beach stroll. Look how pretty that is. Luckily the sun came back out, so. Alright guys, so we just stopped at this cute little ice cream shop called Tony B's. We're gonna get some ice cream. So cute. I love little like beach shops.
Little hammock on there.
Where? Oh, I see it. That's cute. I had to do an outfit change because it's just cuter. So put my Princess Polly shorts back on, wearing this yellow little sweater. Here's Ellie. Baby Kelly. They're tired. They had fun at the beach though. Alright guys, so we're just leaving the beach now. We're in the car. It's getting pretty close to dinner time, so I think we're gonna grab something on the way home, but it's a pretty fun beach day. I want that. That looks so good. I never had it, so I'm gonna try it, but it looks so good. I love maple stuff. Not just because I'm Canadian, because it just tastes good.
Get 2 chicken McNugget meals for that.
Yeah, what are the drinks?
A apple juice and a Coke, please.
Okay.
And one
What's
with
the dipping sauce for the nuggets?
one with sweet and sour and one with sweet barbecue.
Okay, anything else?
And then can I have the maple barbecue and bacon quarter pounder meal?
Yeah.
The regular Fruitopia.
Okay, we're gonna try this maple burger. Hopefully my phone doesn't fall over, but that's what it looks like. It looks so good. I'm so excited. It does not look how it does in the picture, but it's kind of disappointing because it just tastes like a regular cheeseburger. Okay, wait, so I actually bit into like the sauce now, and now it does taste like maple. I don't know if it should be on a burger though, but it's okay. I just can't make up my mind about if I like it or not.